Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Today I'm bringing you Mining Time, It's Time to Mine, an app that promises real-life PayPal money for simply mining an object in the middle of the screen. Now, I'm here to thoroughly dismantle this app. I'm telling you right now, everyone, this app is a scam. And if you don't think it's a scam, you are living in on another planet. Like you're in Mars or something, dude. Because, guys, I reviewed nearly 100 apps, right? Literally, almost 100 of these apps. They all have the exact same concept. I'm so confident there is a massive conspiracy going on with developers on Play Store. Like, just a little sector of just scummy, scammy developers, bro, that are just here to make you guys watch advertisements over and over again and never, ever reward, okay? I'm serious. I know you must be thinking, this guy's crazy, but no, I'm not, everyone. Check out my channel, bro. I've reviewed a lot, and I still review a lot of apps that do this kind of deceptive practices where they promise PayPal rewards if you watch like specific ads, or if you constantly watch ads. You're going to be prompted to watch an ad nearly every single minute, or maybe every single 10 to 15 seconds on this app. That's how you know it's a scam, bro. Now, I don't know what planet these developers are actually from. As I said earlier, I don't know what is going on, but this app has been making the rounds thanks to their advertising budget, okay? They're inviting, or advertising to try, I just saw inviting friends there. I started reading it. Yeah, they're advertising so heavily to try and make you guys believe that this is real, okay? So it even gives you like a little wallet to act like, oh yeah, this is so legit, bro. Listen to me. Some people might get paid out, right? I got an ad no matter what I did. I got an ad anyway. Look at this lady. Just get off. I'm so angry. I'm just so angry with these apps, dude. What is this app anyway? Solitaire. Yeah, okay. Gotta check out Solitaire, apparently. $5,000 from playing Solitaire, dude. Seriously? Like, the developers don't even care. Advertisers don't even care anymore. They're advertising $5,000 for playing Solitaire. Bro, seriously. Like, yeah, let me just dismantle this for you all right now, and why this is 100% like a complete scam, okay? Another ad prompt. You literally get ad prompts every second on this app. That's a dead giveaway. I can't even click on my... Okay, whatever. I don't know. The game is cooling down. What are you talking about? The game is cooling down, dude. Are you stupid? What is this? Watch an ad. Again, another ad prompt. Congratulations, I got a heart. What are you talking about? What is actually happening right now? Collect this trophy. No, I don't want to collect the chest. Here we go. So, 480 coins right now. I have 51,000, almost 52,000 minimum for $10 PayPal, apparently. Apparently, dude, because you're never going to get it. And 122,000 for 25, 228,000 for 50. Now, let's think about this carefully. Another ad, by the way. It's just going to keep forcing me to watch ads. Like, I can't get away with it, eh? I cannot get away with not watching ads. Look at this. Look at this Muppet of the Earth, dude. Oh my god, man. What's this one now? Merge numbers. Alright, merge numbers. Yeah, that's great. I give up. I give up, everyone. Seriously, I really do. Anyway, yeah. It's just the biggest scam. Let me tell you something, right? How little coins you're actually going to get. I only just got 24 coins there. Can someone do the maths, right? For me, how long will it take me, like, to get, in minutes, by the way, how long will it get me, or take me, to get to $10? So I just got 24 coins then, on average, right? And I need 52,000 minimum to cash out, apparently. The game is cooling down again. What is this? What, are they putting paywalls with ads or something? I don't understand. Is that how desperate they are for me to actually, like, watch their ads? What do you do like, I don't understand what I'm meant to do here, guys. It's all just a joke. Like, this is the biggest joke I think I've ever seen in my whole life. Now the app's crashed anyway, it doesn't even matter. It doesn't make sense. Like, what am I meant to do? Honestly, like, these apps are a joke. But no one's really calling them out for what they are. I have to watch another ad. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, no one's really calling these apps out on YouTube. They're not. Like, people are shilling, and they're actually just playing the apps and advertising these apps, saying, "Oh, look at this! You get real life money." Clickbaiting, dude. If you make videos on these apps, right? I know there's a certain amount of YouTubers out there that do make videos on these apps. Don't shill for them, bro. Don't shill for them. I'm telling you now, don't advertise these apps. This is terrible. You're scamming your viewers. Like, are you stupid? I'm serious, man. I'm furious, dude. Like, why? Why are these apps allowed to prosper the way they do with their massive advertising budgets on AdWords? Like, you know, if you don't know what AdWords are, it's pretty much Google's AdWord or ads platform. That's why you get ads every day on when you play games on your Android, pretty much, guys. It's all ran through AdWords, essentially. So, yeah, Google allows these apps... the game is cooling down again. I don't even know what this means. What does the game cooling down mean? Like, what is actually going on right now, bro? Wait, why is the game cooling down? What is happening? Like, am I doing something wrong? I keep getting prompted to watch an ad constantly. I don't know. Either way, spin rewards. Let's try and spin rewards here. It's going to make me watch an ad anyway. I'm going to be forced to watch an ad no matter what, guys. So just remember that. Literal ads, prompts everywhere, dude. Biggest way you can tell an app's a scam is with ad prompts all the time, by the way. Legitimately. I'm so happy though. I did see a couple of people advertising on YouTube that this is a scam, which makes me proud. Good job, scam busters out there. You know who you are, trying to catch these little scum scam apps out, okay? But yeah, to the big YouTubers that are actually just advertising this, they probably got paid out anyway, let's be real. Another ad. The whole thing is one big fix, dude. It's one big fix, I'm telling you now. It's all a joke. It's just disgusting lies. Look at this lady. Look, they just put random people on here, dude, laughing. You didn't win anything. Stupid scammer. Nah, she's just an actor. I can't get angry at the actors though. But let's be real, she didn't win jack all, okay? Legitimately. Anyway, besides the point. Yeah, the app's a scam, guys. Mining time's a scam. And if you tell me otherwise, you're an idiot. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Look, I'm just calling it as it is. I'm allowed to say this. I'm allowed to say this, dude. If you tell me any other thing and this is not a scam, then I don't want to talk to you. Seriously. Do you really think the developer's going to pay out every single person? Do you know how many people would hack this app? Do you know how many people would bot this app? Do you know how easy it is to bot an app like this and hack an app like this? I can do it in 2 minutes, bro. Seriously. Do you know what it's like to wake up and see these ads on the screen, like spamming me every second, thinking these idiots have no idea how dumb they look for making an app like this? Like, as I get more and more into my videos, as I said, I'm nearly up to 100 apps, bro. As I get deeper and deeper into these apps, I'm starting to get more angry. I'm starting to get more fed up, because it's just like, what is going on? Why? Why does Google allow this, bro? I can't even play. I'm just watching an ad every 2 seconds now. Yeah. This is it. This is a scam, guys. You, as a human being, and as a person that plays on the Play Store, should not have to sit through this kind of drama, okay? Like, you should never. Look, Merge Cards is back. 2048 Merge Cards. Oh, my lord, dude. These apps are... they're literally deleting themselves and re-updating themselves, or putting themselves back on the Play Store with a new name or title or thumbnail. I've already reviewed this app on my channel, and now it's back with a complete new look again. Wow. I love it. I love it, dude. Yeah, anyway, you as a player should not have to subject yourself to fake money-making apps, okay? I'm telling you now, everyone, don't do it to yourself. Please. Listen to me, dude. Listen. It's a joke. I'm getting off this app. I don't think I ever want to see it again. Stay safe out there, guys. Please don't get tricked with a pathetic app like this. Catch you around, man.